How to play Helldivers 2 split screen. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. To play on the split screen, you actually have to launch your Helldivers 2. Now you have the options to play online, that is a co-op, or remote play together as well. However, remote play together is for Steam users only. If you want to invite your friend over for a multiplayer round in your Helldivers 2, you can easily do that. This is because Helldivers 2 actually supports cross-platform play as well and along with multiplayer. In order to do so, select on the social option and tap on friends. To invite your friend over, you can use your unique friend code. To generate one, at the very bottom, you will find your friend code. Just tap on the generate option and you will receive your very own unique code. You can share it with your friend and invite them over for a gameplay. Now to play along with a friend, you have to change a setting. To change it, you need to head to the options, which is at the top in the dashboard as well, along the side of social. Now in here, we have to set our matchmaking into public or friends. For that, select on gameplay. Tap on Matchmaking Privacy and set it either to public or friends. However, I regret to inform you that Helldivers 2 currently does not support split screen. So you can play your normal co-op, however, you won't be able to play your split screen co-op with a friend. This is something we cannot do on our end, but rather wait for an update from Helldivers 2. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.